everybody. This recording will cover the final assignment. It's called the Bringing It All Together assignment. On the syllabus, it is listed as 3 separate assignments, but I'm going to talk about all of those assignments in this one video. Okay, so on the syllabus, let me see if I still have the syllabus open. Oh, I do. Look at me. Okay, on the syllabus, this is what is right. So here's the syllabus. We've already done the podcast, you've done the IRIS module for the IEP, you've done the case study, you've done the IEP project, you've done the IRIS module for transition. You just recently submitted the transition planning inventory activity. So this is the next one. This is where it says bringing it all together, and we're going to look at indicator 13, how to write a transition IEP that is compliant with indicator 13. Okay, so in this assignment, there are 3 separate assignments, right? So the first one is interactive notes. I'll show you what all these look like in just a second. So you're going to view a video module. You will follow along and fill in each blank with the appropriate answers. That's your first part. The second part is the post-secondary goals worksheet. So this, you'll be given a scenario and you will write measurable education, training, and career employment post-secondary goals. If appropriate, you will also write an independent living skills post-secondary goal. Okay, so that is kind of similar to what you did up here, right, at the transition planning inventory activity. And then the third part, the indicator 13 module post-assessment. There are 10 multiple choice questions. You must score an 80% or higher to pass, and you can move forward or backward without losing any answers, and you can take it more than once. So let me show you. Okay, so this is from the syllabus, right? So I tried to name everything on Blackboard the exact same as what I had it on the syllabus. Okay, so bringing it all together is kind of the overall assignment. Then we have the interactive notes. We have the post-secondary goals worksheet, and then we have the indicator 13 module post-assessment. All right, so let me show you in Blackboard what it looks like. So if you go under assignments, it is right here at the top now, bringing it all together assignment, okay? This folder contains what you will need for the bringing it all together assignment. This is a 3-part assignment. So in this folder, you will find bringing it all together, the interactive notes assignment, bringing it all together, the post-secondary goals worksheet assignment, and the indicator 13 module post-assessment assignment. Whew, lots of words for this assignment, y'all. And then this assignment recording that I'm doing will also be found here and also, of course, in the announcements. So, but if you click here, okay, so you're going to see 3 separate folders, right? We have 3 separate assignments, 3 separate folders. All right, the first one is interactive notes assignments. I took this just or directly from the syllabus for all 3 of these interactive notes, the post-secondary goals worksheet and the indicator 13 module post-assessment. So this is just what I just read to you, right? Directly from the syllabus. All right, so you're going to click here. Here is the interactive notes assignment. So what you will do, you will click right here, okay? And it's going to take you to a video. Well, it's going to take you to commercial first. Okay, so then it's going to take you right here. This is from the South Carolina, let me move it just a little bit. This is from the South Carolina Department of Education website. All right, so it's going to talk about indicator 13, how to write. Oh, hold on, let me pause it because I'm trying to talk over it. How to write a transition IEP that is compliant with indicator 13, okay? So you will watch this video. It is, let me move my little thingy thing to see how long it is. It is 26 minutes long, okay? So you're gonna watch this video. As you are watching this video, or once you have finished watching this video, whichever is easiest for you, you will complete these interactive notes. The way that they have it on the website, you can type right into the website. I just made it a Word document, so it's not really interactive, I guess, right? So you will just click, remember, here or here. So you're just going to open it as a Word document, okay? So it's not going to be interactive. When you open it, yeah, this is what happened before. When it opens, mine looks a little weird. I don't know why, but if you click right here where it says enable editing, it'll come up just like this, okay? So you can type right into this, right? You can type your name, you can type the date, you can type transition planning is blank for life, okay? So you're just going to fill out these notes, which again, aren't really so interactive the way that I'm having y'all do it, but that's okay. You're gonna just fill out this Word document, okay? You're gonna type your, type your answers right in here, okay? And then you will save it, and then you will, so it goes, Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4, Section 5. Don't mind these little blue things. I've corrected them 57 times. It's fine. Section 5, Section 6, Section 7, Section 8, Section 9. Oh, there might be a few little Section 10, Section 11. I just realized there might be some little like A right here. I'm not sure really what that means. I tried to watch the video, but I think I missed this. So if there's something like this where it says A and then it's blank, like don't add anything to this document, right? Except for your answers. Does that make sense? So right here where it says like letter A, but it's blank, don't feel you have to write anything there, okay? So you're only filling in the blanks that are already here for you. All right, sorry about that. I just realized that that might be a little kind of funky. But again, you're filling in the blanks that are here for you. All right, don't feel you have to add anything else to this Word document. All right, so that's the first one. That is the interactive Indicator 13 module interactive notes. And I'm going to click, I don't want to save it because I don't want all my little typing, right? So that's this first part. This first part, the interactive notes, is due before the other two assignments. So this one is due Tuesday, November 22nd. So that's before Thanksgiving. Okay. I'm posting this on I think it's the 9th maybe today. So that should give you plenty of time. So just start with the video module and then those interactive, but not really, notes. Okay. And that's what you will submit. All right. So that's your first part. Okay. That's right here. Hold on. Let me go back a little bit more. So that's right here, right? Bringing it all together. Then the next two, the post-secondary goals and the module Indicator 13 module post-assessment, these two are both due on the same date, and they are due November 29th. So right after Thanksgiving, okay? So what you're gonna do for this one, you're gonna click here, bringing it all together. Okay, and so there is a scenario right here. It's Jessica's scenario. You're going to read the scenario. You're going to write measurable education training and career employment post-secondary goals. If appropriate, write an independent living skills post-secondary goal, and you will submit this Word document as your assignment for this section of bringing it all together. Okay, so remember, you can either click here or here, right, to access the assignment. I'm just going to click here. So you will open it up. This one opens normally, but again, you might have to click on enable editing. Okay, so here's your scenario. Jessica's a 16-year-old student with moderate cognitive disabilities. So you're going to write measurable education training and career employment post-secondary goals. If you think it is appropriate, write an independent living skills post-secondary goal as well. So here's your scenario. Okay, it's just 3 paragraphs. Here's where you will type in your education training goal. Here's where you will type in your career employment goal, and here's where you will type in your independent living skills goal if you think it is necessary. Remember, you want to make sure you're writing appropriate goals. So if you need to go back to, the IEP textbook chapters about goals and what all needs to be included in a goal, make sure that you do that so that these goals are appropriately written. Okay, so again, you're just going to use this scenario. This scenario is also found under, this scenario is also found, so here's where the video is on the Transition Alliance page. So it's also found, which one is it? Right there, post-secondary goals worksheet, but I just made it easier for you and made it as a Word document. Okay, so in the syllabus it says, there's a scenario that follows the module. This is, I just gave you that scenario, okay? This is that scenario, okay? So that's the second part. So again, first part, you're gonna watch the video, complete the quote unquote interactive notes. That one is due November 22nd. The second part of the assignment, second and third part, technically, you're going to do the post-secondary goals. You will read Jessica's scenario, okay, that I just showed you. Right, here's Jessica's scenario, and you will just type in your answers, your goals, right on that Word document. That's what you will submit. All right, and then the third part is this one's a little tricky, so hold on. So this is the Indicator 13 module post-assessment assignment. So what you'll do, you'll click right here. Oh, you know what? I bet it's not going to take us where I want it to take you. Oh, it is. Look at me. All right, so I'm so smart, y'all. Sometimes I outsmart myself. I'm not even kidding. So what you're going to do, you're going to click right here where it says Indicator 13 module post assessment, okay? Which can also be found just by the way, a little aside, it's also found right here. But again, I just made it easier for you and put it right here. All right, so you're just gonna go right here, you're gonna click it. Then what you have to do, you do have to complete this. So I need your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm your email address. It can be your, if you have a school district email, or you can do your F. Marion, whichever you want, but I would not do like a personal email. You know what I mean? I would probably recommend doing your Francis Marion email. And then it's going to ask for your school district or state operated program, and it gives you a whole list, right? So some of you I know might be in Marion County. Some of you might be Spartanburg too. You do not have to click your district if you don't want to. What you could do is click other. This is what I did because I just went through this. So click other, and then you could just put Francis Marion University. Okay, I don't know what happens with the scores, to be honest. Like, I don't know if you put a district in, if the scores would go to your district. So I just did other, and then I just typed in Francis Marion University. Okay, and then what you will do, you'll click next, and I already just went through this, so I'm not gonna click next. So you're gonna click next, and it'll show you 5 multiple choice questions, and then it'll say like next again, and it'll show you 5 more multiple choice questions, okay, based on the module, the video that you watched, right? Over here in, oh goodness, this is all over the place. So the questions, the assessment is based on what you watch here, the video they watch here, okay? So then after you take the test, you will get a screen and it'll show you your score. You need an 80% higher to pass is what they say. But I'm looking for 80% higher to make sure that you can get full credit for this assignment. So what you'll do, they'll send you, you'll get the screen will pop up with your score, but you will also get an email from them, and it comes in within like seconds. So once you get that email, and I'm not going to show you all mine because my score was not very good because I did not watch the module and I just went really quickly to see, to make sure I could work through it. So I'm a little embarrassed about my score, but that's cool. So then what you will do, you will either save that email that you get, download it and then upload it back here for your assignment. You can take a picture of it and upload that. However you want to do that works for you. You can print it out, you can scan it back in, right? Whatever works for you. That will be your assignment that you submit. I won't see how you do on the test. I'll just see your score. Okay, so it just says submit the email with your score here. So again, you will just you can save it to your computer, save that email, and then you'll just upload that, okay? So again, this part's, I know, a little tricky. I've never used this as an assignment before, so we're gonna see what y'all think. Okay, so that is it for the final bringing it all together assignment again. So the first one, interactive notes. This is due November 22nd. Remember, you will watch this module and complete these notes and submit it just right here, right at your little icon, assignment icon. Okay, the second part, bringing it all together, post-secondary goals. You will click here. You will read the scenario about Jessica. And then you will develop your goals for Jessica. If necessary, write an independent living skills post-secondary goal. You'll just submit it right here, right? Just submit the Word document from here with your answer, submit it right here. That is due Tuesday, November 29th. And then the third part of the assignment is the Indicator 13 module post-assessment assignment. Click here. Again, you will take the assessment. And again, you can take it more than once. Like when I got my email, it said, oh, you didn't pass, keep trying or try again. So you could be able to, yes, I'm embarrassed to say I did not get an 80%, but again, I was trying to be speedy quick about it. So don't let that be an example to you. Let that be a non-example. You're welcome. That's why I did it. The things I do for y'all. All right, so anyways, once you get an 80% or higher, then email me that email. Okay, I don't want to see anything that's below 80%, so I should have been clear about that. So once you get an 80% or higher, then you will submit the email with your score here. Okay, again, you'll get an email and you'll get a screen that shows up. So you can either take a picture of the screen, the notification that shows up and upload that, or you can just forward the, take the email and put it here. Do not just email me. Don't just forward me the email. Put it right here. And again, only after you get to 80%. Okay, and again, this third part is due also November 29th. All right, so that is it. Again, you can find it here under Assignments Fall 2022. It is the very first one. And that is it. That will take us through the end of the semester. I enjoyed working with y'all. I hope you learned. There's a whole lot in this class, so I hope you are able to take some stuff away from it. And I hope I will see y'all again.